Is it okay to have a hip replacement if you have diabetes? Very valid question because daghan hadlok uy diabetes, basig dili maayo ang akong samad, basig magka-infection or komplikasyon. These are very valid question and thank you for asking. If you have diabetes, a hip or knee replacement is elective na procedure, dili na sila emergency. So I always team up with an endocrinologist, diabetologist, specialista sa diabetes to make sure controlled ang diabetes, make sure na you're getting the hip replacement or knee replacement when your diabetes is controlled is key to preventing all those hadlok nato na komplikasyon. So I hope na you go to your doctor early. The doctors usually get a test, not just the fasting blood sugar, dili sa nang random blood sugar na itusok lang. We get an HbA1c, and that is for checking the diabetes for the last 3 months. If nindot ang inyong control, definitely there will be less chances of complications po sa inyong hip or knee replacement. So thank you, Ma'am Yan Yan. And again, always consult your doctor for your case because every doctor will have an opinion po. Not all doctors will have the same opinion. Okay. And again, thank you for following po. And good evening to Ma'am Atsi Ku. Good evening, Ma'am Atsi. Salamat sa pag-follow nato. Okay, so we have a question from the AVN Warriors chat group. Daghan ni sila. They are very young, so they're always on their phones. They have a lot of questions. This is Doc, normal lang po ba na namamaga po yung paa ko? I am 4 weeks after surgery. Again, another valid question. If you heard kanina, after a knee replacement, sometimes you will have pain, soreness, pamamaga or swelling, numbness or banhod-banhod, and a little bit of stiffness for about 4 to 6 weeks. 4 to 6 months. This can be the case also for a knee replacement. Normal lang po yan. Ma'am Yaya Denise Manggubat, good evening. Do you recommend applying kinesio tape on an injured knee? So, interestingly, it depends on what injury you have. Kinesio tape may help in certain injuries sa imong tuhod, but not all injuries, no? Sometimes also there are irritations or allergies sa kanang kinesio tape. So sa mga arthritis warriors, kinesio tape is a special tape na medyo elastic and it is used also for not just knee injuries but sports injuries sa shoulder and different parts of the body po. Hope that helps, ma'am. Good evening and thank you for your question. So other question is from Ma'am Lalaine Sabelio. Good evening, Ma'am Lalaine.